There you go.
So this is the last day of a 20-day trial, the Salmon Farming Kills lawsuit, where the Norwegian government was effectively trying to muzzle free speech against salmon farming around the world. They asked for a permanent, immediate injunction against global criticism of salmon farming. So thankfully Justice Elena Dare deferred judgment, so she didn't rule on the injunction. So we're now free to speak out against salmon farming around the world. We went for 20 days here in the Supreme Court of British Columbia, but this is the beginning. It's not the end of this lawsuit. We've got people around the world who are fighting for freedom of speech. This company, Mainstream Canada, which is effectively the Norwegian government, tried to muzzle criticism. They tried to clamp down on global criticism against their company, but they failed in their injunction today, and they're basically shooting themselves in the foot, because people around the world are talking about Mainstream Canada. They're talking about Cermaq in Norway. Today in Sweden, the editor of a fly fishing magazine published the cigarette packets, and he published the images with an article that said, "So sue me then." So if they win their injunction against me, if the judge, which is called Justice Elena Dare, if she rules against me, maybe that's next week or next month, it's not going to be able to muzzle free speech, because this case is not just about Don Staniford and salmon farming. This is about criticism against environmental, social issues around the world. So the plaintiff, which are represented as Cermaq, abused the Canadian legal system, because people think that Canada is a democracy, but it's not. In Canada, the corporate reputation is held much higher than freedom of speech. So this is why the Norwegian government attempted to use the BC courts to clamp down on criticism about their company, but I think it's backfired against them. And when they deport me at the end of February, I'm actually going to go to Norway. I've got a job with the Green Warriors of Norway, and so this is their company's problems coming home to roost. I'm literally going to go to the belly of the beast and work in Norway against those companies that are now suing me.